On the day of your skills testing, arrive to the testing center at your scheduled time. An instructor will not be present since the VM, voice-assisted mannequin, will guide you through each set of skills. Check your email and text messages for important entry information. When you enter the room, put on a pair of gloves, then log in to your ArcUI account on the computer. You may need to click the Google Chrome icon to access the login page. Before starting each module, watch the recommended demonstration video. They will show you the skill you are about to perform and how it should be done properly. To ensure high-quality CPR, place your hands in the correct area of the chest, directly on the sternum. Your shoulders should be directly above your hands and lock your elbows straight. Use the stool for height and leverage, as this will help with depth of compressions. For chest recoil, allow the chest to come back up fully before going into the next compression. You can also remove the gray pad under the adult mannequin to help as well. When giving compressions on the 2 Rescuer adult simulation, make sure you count out loud from 1 to 30.
4, 5, 6, 7.
It has to be exactly at 30, or else the VM will tell you, do not interrupt, causing a lower score.
Release pressure between compressions. Do not interrupt.
1, 2.
The same goes for the 2 Rescuer infant simulation. Your compressions have to be exactly from 1 to 15. Then you stop so your second rescuer, the computer, can give the breaths.
10,
Great.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
When switching roles, remember, it's a quick switch. This is to assure there is no long pause in between transitioning from one position to the other. Be prepared to switch quickly to avoid interruptions in chest compressions. Remember, a higher chest compression fraction equals higher chance of survival. When giving breaths, make sure you are positioned directly above the mannequin's head, not on the side. This is to ensure you have proper positioning. Make sure to have a good, firm seal on the hard plastic of the mask, and at the same time, tilting the head back to open the airway and administer breaths correctly. Do not squeeze the entire bag. Squeeze a half or a third size of the bag to ventilate. You only need slight chest rise. Allow time for retesting and improvements. Go back and watch the videos for quality improvement. When finished with both the adult or infant skills, make sure to sanitize the mannequins and equipment. Log out of your ArcUI account and leave the computer lid open for the next student to use.